valuated GR block stock. Okay, this is same. Okay, both are same. Okay, the different movement types are there here as well. Okay, but in first case, when I receive the goods, okay, it will be non-valuated, means value will not be captured. That's why it is called non-valuated. Okay, so once we move from 103 means non-valuated to actual stock, then it will be valuated. Okay, but in this case, whenever I receive, okay, that time itself it is a valuated. Okay, when we release it to actual stock, it will not be non-valuated because it's already valuated here, right? So when we use valuated GR block stock, this will be used whenever we have an agreement with the vendor. Okay, has to be inspected or checked by the customer. Okay, at the vendor place itself. Okay, from plant somebody will go to vendor place. Okay, after their material is produced. Okay, they check there, they do the inspections, and they inform company to take a stock into the system. Okay, until the material is received to the plant. Okay, they that will be in the valuated GR block stock. Okay, they do the GR with 107 movement type, but physically material is not available at plant, it is still at the vendor place. Because from plant somebody has gone there to the vendor place, they checked it and they informed the plant to do the GR in the system, but physically system is at the vendor place. Once it is available at the plant, okay, they release it with a 109 movement type to the actual stock. Okay, so in that case we use validated GR block stock. Okay, so that is 107. This will be in the purchase order, we have to select origin acceptance. Okay, that is one of the checkbox is available in the purchase order. Okay, check whether it's available here.
Okay, you are now let us create a purchase order for valuated goods receipt, right? For valuated GR block stock. Okay, for that process, let us create a purchase order and we'll try to post the GR and see, okay, how that process will behave. Let's give our data. So as we are testing the process, okay, I'm using the same data. Okay, so any data we can use. Okay, that is if it is relevant, if it is business relevant. Okay, there is no issue in that. Oh, I guess company could have entered as okay 100. Okay, it is 1000. So no issues. Okay, so in case of virgin acceptance only, I told it will be done only during the virgin acceptance. We can use movement type 107. Okay, so the process wherein we go to the vendor place and do the inspection and we are accepting there itself. Okay, that time we do the GR. So that GR with the movement type we do it with 107. Okay, to that happens to select this checkbox in the purchase order. Okay, then only the virgin acceptance can be done at the vendor place. So that should be an evaluated GR. After that actual stock, when we receive at the warehouse or the store location, that time it will be an 109 moment type, that is without valuation. Okay, so now we are taking block stock with origin acceptance. Okay, but why it is in a block stock? Because we have not physically received the material from the vendor place. So we are accepting and we are inspecting at the vendor place and receiving the stock. Okay, we are accepting the material. Okay, so but physically it's not available. Okay, that's why it is valuated GR block stock. Okay, let me save the PO, check it, save. Okay, this is the PO number. Let us display once. Okay, so no release and confirmation. Okay, so that we can post the GR for this purchase order. We copy this. So go to Migo transaction, goods receipt, enter the purchase order number. So in the initial screen, mention the 0107 as the movement type. Okay, then execute the PO. So all the data will be copied. Okay, now we can see 107. Select item. Okay, all the data which is copied from PO to GR. Check everything is fine. Post. Okay, now display material document. You can see 107 and document info as it is a valuated GR block stock. Okay, so there is a valuation at the time of first GR. You can see there is a accounting document which gets created here. But in case of 109, so it is opposite to 103 and 105 process. Okay, here the first receipt, because we inspected and we receiving the stock everything, but not physically, but we are accepting the stock. So it is valuated GR blocked stock. Okay, that is 107. Okay, next let us. So we use same transaction, that is release GR block stock even for 109. Select this and select the same inter document. Execute. You can see system is picking automatically 109. Okay, so this should be an non-validated GR. Okay, there should not be accounting document which gets created for this. Select the item checkbox. Okay, check and post. Okay, let us display this. A109, and if I go and display accounting document, so you can see no subsequent document found in accounting. Okay, this is how the difference between the GR valuated and non-valuated block stocks movement types. Okay, 103 and 105 in case of uh, GR block stock non-valuated with valuated GR block stock, it is 107 and 109. Okay,